Hey guys, it's Kristen with another chance resale. Welcome to my channel. I'm a full-time reseller, and in this video, I have a Goodwill BlueBox. It's the 5-pound Repurpose Jewelry box, and this one is from South Hackensack, New Jersey, and if I remember correctly, New Jersey was a pretty good location for these boxes. So if you're interested in purchasing anything you see in this video, you can email me at anotherchanceresale1@gmail.com. Oh yeah, and I remembered they even put everything in a bag. Love it. No loose particles at the bottom of the box. So also remember to check the sold list. It's always pinned in the comment section below, which means it's always the first comment in the comment section. All you have to do to find it is scroll underneath the video, and boom, there it is. So make sure you check that sold list before you email me. It just helps with the amount of emails I get. Helps me keep organized and get back to everybody in a timely manner. Please also give me your PayPal information, your PayPal email, mailing address if you have not bought from me before. I am now also asking for your YouTube name. I'm getting very confused with who's who, and especially in my auctions that I'm now starting to do a little bit more regularly. So if you would love to put your YouTube name in when you email me as well, that would be super helpful, so I'm able to send everybody an invoice for their, items that they want. Also include a timestamp and a brief description of the items that you're interested in. And payment is required immediately. It is Monday, so I do hold items for the week until Friday, but you have to pay for the items, and I will just hold off on shipping and charging shipping so that you're able to shop my videos the rest of the week if you would like, and then I will invoice you at the end of the week, for all shipping combined, and then I'll ship out all your stuff. Okay, let's try to get this going here. And if you guys, so tomorrow's Tuesday, there will not be a video from me on my channel because I will be over on Roy's channel. He's a new friend of mine, and his channel is called Horizon Picks, and I will be doing a live auction of vintage hard goods on his channel, along with 7 other resellers, including Misty from Misty's Treasure Chest and Crystal from Moon Goddess Treasures. If you've heard of them, I consider them my friends also. So join us over there. I'll put the link to his channel in the description box for you. And let's get started. Don't mind this nail. I broke it off. I was trying to put a shoe on, like my shoes on, and I went to pull, the back of the shoe onto my heel, and pop it goes. So please excuse that. I'm getting my nails done Wednesday. Anywho, not that you guys care about when I get my nails done, but here we go. First item is going into the craft box. All my craft items are $1. This is just really worn, but I love being able to let you guys repurpose items, and some of you have been sending me photos of your repurposed creations, and you guys are just so creative. I love it. It's so cool to see your creations. Really, really awesome. This is another piece that's going to go in the craft lot. There's just too much wear here, but these little flowers would be cool to repurpose with. So that's going in there too. I can see this necklace is really doo-doo, so that's going to go in there as well. So far, Jersey, we're not doing that great. All right, this is just a really long tassel with this plastic piece. So I'm not really sure what's going on with this one. It's super long. I mean, everything is in really good condition. I just have no use for this, so it's going to go into the craft lot. This looks kind of nice. glass. They have like kind of like a crackle look to them. No maker or anything, but I can get a wearable length of 8 inches. And let's just see if any of these register as quartz or anything. Nope. No, but they are glass. So let's just do $5 on this one. So this is pretty. We have little like iridescent colored peacock color beads with some bluish, purplish, gray beads. It all seems to be in good shape. They're plastic. Barrel clasp. Wearable length is about 7.5 inches. And we'll just do 4 on that one. It feels very weird to have a short nail. Anyway, this is really pretty. This is copper toggle clasp, and it's got these really pretty stones, which I believe to be real. They are cold to the touch. I don't think... Okay, yeah, these are coming up as quartz. So I think that's really pretty. Let's get a length. 7 inches. And let's do 7 on it. All right, this one, these are definitely real stones. Actually, these are coming up as nephrite. Would that be right? Yeah, I guess. Actually, it's like, it's in the middle of quartz now. Well, it's definitely a real stone, but there's no clasp. So if somebody would like this, they would have to put a clasp on here. But let's get a length first. Wearable, it's 12 inches. I'm just gonna do... I'll just do $7 on this. I mean, it's got some really nice chunky beads. And even if you just throw a clasp on there, it's gonna make a really nice necklace. Okay, that's an earring. We'll put that to the side. Looks like we have a lot of beaded necklaces here. This one has got silver and gray beads with silver tone. Toggle. I mean, it kind of looks like sterling, but not really. It's all right looking. It's pretty. It's in good shape. 9-inch wearable. Is that peeling? Yeah, there's a little bit of peeling going on. A little bit of spots missing out of the paint. I'm going to put this in craft. I don't feel comfortable selling it as wearable. Let's see what this guy is. This is pretty. These are all glass. I wonder if any of these are amber. No. So they're glass and they're hand knotted in between. Really pretty. It looks like a lot of these are the same style. Like maybe somebody made all of these because they all have the same type of closure and links and stuff like that up here. It's about a 9.5-inch wearable length. Really pretty colors for the fall. Let's do 6 on that one. All right, let's do a little change up with these beads here. Let's do this bracelet. It's BCBG Max Azria, and it's a clamper bracelet. It's actually in pretty good condition. It's got gold tone and this really pretty like seafoam green enamel, and it's kind of like an oval shape. It's about a 7-inch diameter, I mean circumference, and we will do $5. Okay. This is going to go, oh, it's 2 of them. Okay. Well, both of these are going into the craft lot, $1 each. Yeah, there's a lot of beaded necklaces here. This one's, oh wait, this is a lariat. Okay, so this one has got like brownish beads and like those peacock color beads, some amber color, pearls. Ooh, I like this one with the stars and moon. I believe them to be glass. And then here's the tassel. So it's all one strand with these tassels on the bottom. So you can like loop this around, wear it like a scarf, you can knot it. It's gonna be 40 inches total, not including the tassels. So it's a 20-inch wearable length, not including the tassels, and you could like wrap it around, double it. Look at that pretty one. So let's do 7 on that one. Okay, all these are actually just gonna go right into craft. They're not really, and I'm gonna put that one in there too. They're really just not in good wearable condition. Yeah, these are all very similar. Glass. It's like a pretty pinkish and a pretty light purple. Does say something on the clasp. Where's my loop? It says 925 on the clasp, so that's cute. That's nice. 10-inch wearable length. And we'll do yeah, we'll do $7 on that one. Okay, that's going into craft. This, I guess, is like a copper and gold tone bracelet. It's going into craft. This is actually quite nice. A lot of these, I feel like, hold on. Okay, so this is pretty nice. A lot of these peacock colored beads today. Stretchy bracelet, we'll just do 5 on that one. Yeah, these are more earrings. So, yeah, all this is going into craft. Make sure you're giving me a screenshot. Actually, I prefer timestamp. Timestamp and a brief description of what you're interested in. Make sure you check that sold list down in the comments section. This is going into craft as well. Craft. Come on, Jersey. Craft. There's so many beaded items in here, like the same style. It's kind of weird, actually. All right, this one, it's like an inlay, brass, bangle. I don't know how I feel about this. It's just gonna go into crafting for $1. Not really thrilled about it. This, on the other hand, though, is quite pretty. Maybe like a slab of agate. Yeah, this looks handmade as well. The little toggle. So let's get a measurey on this one. 11 inches wearable to the pendant. $6. This is going into craft. Yeah, like all these. Craft. Craft. Yeah, this is going into craft. I'm not even going to keep the single earrings on the side if they're not in good condition. This is pretty. This is probably real pearl. Yep. With some dyed mother of pearl shell. Some abalone maybe. Pretty toggle. This is very like oceany, giving me very tropical vibes. It's an 8-inch wearable length. And let's do 10 on it since it's got all these real pearls. It's really pretty. Craft. This is kind of nice. I think it's losing its pink color. So we're going to put that into craft. Eek, craft. You guys. This is pretty. So these are like a dark gray pearl, hand knotted in between. I don't know if they're real, because if they're painted, you're not going to be able to feel the grittiness, but that clasp is kind of cool. It's a fold over. There's no markings, right? No, okay. It seems to be in good shape. 11-inch wearable length. Let's do $7. All right, this thing is all rusted and disgusting, but this piece is pretty darn cool. I don't exactly know what it's made out of. It's not wood, even though it looks like it. It's more of like a plastic, I think, to me. Seems like. It's not rock, it's not cold, it's not stone. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. So I'm going to sell this for $3 just because I think this part is pretty darn cool. All right, more earrings. Yeah, no. Crafting, they go. Oh, okay, a brooch, yay. He's cute. A little kitty looking in the mirror. It's a little dirty. Can that come off? That black in there? I don't know. How can I try to get that off? Let's see. Yeah, I think I could get that off. So this looks like it'd be pretty cute. Let's do $5 on that. This looks like bamboo coral, maybe, and coral chips, and some hematite. This is a pretty large bracelet, though. It's one of the memory wire ones. You can probably bend it and fold it and like have it go one more time around your wrist. It's sitting at about 8 inches circumference, but it's really pretty. Let's do $8 on it. That's really nice. All right, that's a no. This is very weird. This looks like the top of an acorn. And then the other side has like a little flower in some resin or something. I'm gonna actually hold on to this and see if we have the mate, because that's pretty interesting. These though are going into craft. All right. Ooh, guys, look what I see. Ah, I love these little guys. All right, let me get you unstuck here. Move everybody over. Look it. He's a little shoulder hanger tiger brooch or cheetah. love him. I have a gold tone one. I think all the rhinestones are there. He's so cute. All right, I'll sell him. He's actually in really nice condition. He's got the blue rhinestone eyes. Look at this little cutie. Meow, meow. Okay, so we're gonna do, I mean, he's in really nice condition. We're gonna do 12 on him. He's got his ears. I'm pretty sure he's got all his stones. Yeah, $12. Little cutie. This is gonna go right into the craft lot. This is a baby fat earring. It's actually in good shape, so we'll hold on to that. That's kind of cute. We'll hold on to that. Missing stones, craft. What's this? Eek. All right, this is going into craft. This kind of looked nice though, so let's see what this is. Was there not a clasp? Oh yeah, right here. So there's no maker, but this is pretty. It's like a gunmetal necklace with all these links, and then every once in a while there's a colorful rhinestone in a different shape. That's kind of nice. All right, that's in good shape. Let's get a measurement of 17 inches wearable. We'll do $5. Oh my gosh, this bag, it keeps unfolding and it keeps getting in my way. Yeah, this was all made by the same person, I bet you. I mean, it's all the same style. This one's kind of nice. This is giving me like mystic vibes. I don't know why. I think these are glass as well. Blacks and yellows. 10.5 inch wearable. $5. Craft. This is pretty. Okay, this has howlite, which is the white. Probably quartz, clear quartz. We have that like crackle bead again. Some pearl colored. Well, it's like a cloudy crystal. Ooh, we have these ones that have like pores. Look at that. That's kind of cool. I like this one a lot. So, the wearable length on it is 12 inches. And let's do $9 on this one. I really like that one. All right, what is this? This is a whole mess of a bunch of chains. This is going right into craft. 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 Eek. Craft. This is a cool gold tone snake ring. Just a little costume piece. Nothing really special, but it is cute and in good condition, and it's a size 7. So we'll do $5 on him. This has glass beads as well. Eight-inch wearable, $5. This earring's kind of nice, so I guess we'll hold on to that one. This Would be really pretty if it wasn't missing stones and has all like goo all over it. So that's going to go into craft. This is another stone bracelet, really pretty. Let's see if that comes up as anything. Yeah, quartz, okay. I mean, the clasp might be sterling. Let's just see really quick. Yeah, it is. It is. So this is a nice little bracelet. I knew it kind of looked of something important. 8-inch wearable length. Really pretty color combination. Let's do 10 on this one. What is this? Okay, that's going into craft. This, what are you? Do you say something? No, that's going into craft. All right, I see a lot of bangles. It's a very weird lot. I feel like I got no like name brand stuff. It's all like handmade pieces. Very, very strange. Okay, so all these bangles, I'm just gonna test, which I'm sure they're gonna be not precious metal. Yeah, so all these are going into craft. Yep, all these are craft. Sorry, that was my sister calling. Okay, so here's some more things that are going into the craft lot. All that. Oh, look, here's... Wait, I thought I put that earring to the side, and now I don't have it on the side. Maybe it got... Maybe I grabbed it with the pile on accident. Anywho, let's keep going. What is this thing? Yeah, I have no idea. That's going into craft. That's just weird. Cloth or rope. This is actually pretty. Oh, could that be Catherine Popesco? She always has that seashell as part of her earring. I'm gonna hold on to this one. All these are going into craft that I'm pulling, so you can just screenshot or timestamp and then let me know which piece you would like. Yeah, all this is just yuck. What is all this? You guys, this is just all tangled. Oh, that came out. Eek. This whole tangle will be $1. Yikes. Ay, Jersey. You're making me look like a fool over here. I said you guys were good. This kind of looks like Brighton, but it's all jacked up. Broken and everything. Yeah. Craft. Okay, here's this other earring. So we'll just do like $2 on those. I think those are pretty cool. Oh, we have a Hobey earring. What? It's actually not in that bad of condition. Hopefully we have the mate. I've sold Hobei earrings in pretty rough shape and they still sold. These are kind of cool. That is kind of cool, I should say. We'll hold on to that. All this stuff is going into craft. All right, there's not that much left, so I'm gonna pour it out. Ooh, let's look at this. This is probably lapis. Look at that. How pretty. It's definitely ice cold. I really like it. We're gonna do 10 on this one. It's really nice. What's not really nice is this bent up piece of something, so that's gonna go into craft. Craft. What are you? Do you have any marks on you? You don't, so your craft. Ooh, look, here's this earring. So, I don't know if this is real turquoise, but yeah, I think the pearls are real. This one's a little bent, but I think these are pretty cool. So I'll just do 5 on those. I don't have the mate to that, so that's gonna go in the craft lot. Craft lot. There's another one of those necklaces. Craft lot. Craft lot. All right, here's what's left. Here's a little kitty brooch. That's cute. Just needs to be wiped off. All the stones are there. Oh, it has a name. Roman. Okay. So we're going to do, we'll do 5 on him. I don't have the mate to this guy. I don't have the mate to that, or or any of these for that matter. So, I mean, $1 each. This one, though, because of the lapis, this is going to be $2. And if you guys buy like a lot of craft items, I'll throw in, 1 or 2 for free, like depending on how much you buy. I'll, I always hook you guys up. I try to anyway, when I can. Okay, this is kind of cool. This is the last piece. So make sure you guys are subscribed. It's free. It's right here. And make sure you click the bell to all so you're notified when I make new videos. Click the thumbs up for me, my little stubby thumb. And what are you? I like how it opens. That's pretty cool. But are you sterling? You have no marks. And do these come up as anything? They do not. So let's just check really quick. Ba da da da. Doo doo. Ooh, you are sterling. Okay, so I bet you all these little pieces here are too. Let's see, let's see. This is quite interesting. These beads didn't come up as anything, but they did, like the glass line did move, so these are probably just glass. And yeah, these little pieces in between are sterling as well. So that's pretty interesting. And let's figure out a measurement here. Let's take this apart and do a, okay, so it's 7-inch total length. Those are probably real pearls then too. So we'll do 12 on this one. And that ends this video. I thank you all for watching and spending a little bit of your time with me. Again, click that stubby thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.